I don't know who killed him, okay? I can only relate to other people, but his killing is definitely not helping, because the first thing that happened after his killing is Hamas said we're stopping all negotiation. And yesterday there was talks about negotiation about an Israeli committee going to Egypt. There were talks. And the minute after this incident in Lebanon, Hamas first said, we're pausing, we're stopping the negotiation. So, of course, this will not help. It's only do the opposite. So, I don't know who's in charge and who's giving the order, but he's definitely not thinking about the hostage negotiation talks.
צה"ל נמצא במוכנות גבוהה מאוד, בכל הזירות, בהגנה ובהתקפה.
I'm afraid that they are running out of hope there, and the lack of hope might kill them as well, alongside the horrible condition, the starvation, the sanitary condition in Gaza, the Israeli bombing, the Israeli soldier who might accidentally shoot them, as happened before. The factors that can kill him are growing larger by the hour.
Yes.